What if we could look at the sun from a whole new angle, one we've never seen before? For the first time, Solar Orbiter has captured close-up images of the sun's mysterious poles, regions long hidden from view. Until now, every image of the sun you've ever seen was taken around its equator. That's because Earth, the other planets, and most spacecraft travel in a flat orbit around the sun. But Solar Orbiter is different. In 2025, it tilted its path out of this plane, giving us a first-ever look at the sun's south pole. Remarkably, it found both the north and south magnetic fields tangled together. This is a sign that the sun is at the peak of its 11-year activity cycle, when its magnetic poles flip. With its powerful instruments, Solar Orbiter captures what's happening in the sun's outer layers, from its surface, through the layers in between, all the way to the outer atmosphere. This is key to understanding solar wind and solar storms, which can disrupt satellites, power grids, and radio signals here on Earth. As Solar Orbiter climbs to even higher orbits over the next years, its view will become even clearer, bringing us more views we've never seen before.